Please read the installation guide carefully and make the following preparations before starting to install your laminate floor. You need the following standard tools. Make sure that the subfloor is flat, clean, firm, and dry. Make sure the subfloor is level. Flatness within 3 millimeters into meters. If this condition cannot be met, the subfloor will need to be leveled with sanding of bumps and filling of recesses. Always use the underlay. Underlay in general is meant to be a moisture barrier and keeps your laminate dry. Roll out the underlay and place them next to each other. Seal the joints of the underlay with tape. Make sure there are 8 to 10 millimeters expansion gaps in objects, such as floors and walls. Let the planks acclimatize for 48 hours at the normal room temperature. The ideal conditions are 15 to 20 to C at a relative humidity of 30 to 75%. Then start the first row of flooring. Hold the long side of the second plank at 20 to 30 angle and pressing down to snap it in place. When approach the end of the first row, cut the final plank to the perfect length. Use the pull bar to knock the plank into place. When start the second row and beyond, stagger at least 30 centimeters from any adjacent seam. Continue the rows in the same way until the room is complete. For the last row, cut off a certain length of the short side to complete the laying.